For regular tech updates and to support this channel, please click below on this button to subscribe, and to get instant notification of the new videos uploaded on this channel, click on this bell button.
Hi, in today's video we will do unboxing and we'll have a quick overview of Huawei's Honor 7X. My name is Rakesh and you're watching Tech Today. So Huawei has recently introduced this budget-oriented phone in Indian market. This phone is exclusively available at Amazon. It comes in two variants, 32GB and 64GB. Both the variants are supported by 4GB RAM. The 32GB is available at 12,999 and 64GB is available at 15,999. This is a budget-oriented phone, but it still has a dual camera setup. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Let's get started with unboxing of Huawei's Honor 7X. Let me quickly remove these side tapes. This phone is exclusively available at Amazon for 12,999. If you are interested in buying this phone, the link is given below in the description box. Alright, on this side of box we get to see import details, model number, content of the box and the price, which is 13,999 Indian rupees. Month and the year of import is December 2017. Importer here is Amazon India. On the back side, we get to see some features and specifications of this phone. This phone has comparatively thin bezels and Honor has named it Full View Display. On the box, we can see it has a dual camera setup. 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel as a primary camera and 8 megapixel as a secondary camera. The battery inside is 3340 mAh. This phone has octa-core CPU, 4GB RAM and 32GB inbuilt memory. Out of the box we get 7.0 Nougat Android version. On this phone we get Huawei's EMUI user interface 5.1. The screen size here we get 15.1 cm or 5.9 inches. It's a full HD Plus display. It is 4G ready and compatible to GeoVolt. It has a back-mounted fingerprint scanner with 3340 mAh battery. On the other side of the box, we get to see the IMEI number, model number of the phone, color, which is gold in this case, and the SAR value, which is 1.23. Alright, let's open this box and take out this stuff. Here is our phone itself. The first impression after taking this phone in my hands, it has a sturdy metallic design. On the back side also, we have got SAR value mentioned over here. If I compare it with other phones within this price range, this phone surely has thinner bezels. I'm comfortably able to hold this phone in my one hand. Alright, let's boot it for the first time and keep it aside till the time it gets switched on. And let's see what else we have got inside this box. Here in this box I can see a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, I guess it's a quick start guide. Yes, it is. This is warranty card. We have got another pouch here. I guess it's a back cover for the phone. Yes, it is a clear tight back cover. It looks to be a decent quality soft back cover. On the cover, we've also got marks for antenna lines. Let's keep it aside for a while and see what other stuff we have got inside this box. So this is normal USB type cable for charging and data transfer. And here is the charging brick. I don't think it's a fast charger. Yes, it is a 5V 2A charger. I don't think anything else we have got inside this box. That means we have not got any earphones. Alright, let me put everything back inside this box and check out the phone. Built wise, this is a metallic, sturdy design phone, and because of thin bezels, I'm able to hold it in my one hand comfortably. On the back, we also get to see the Honor logo. On the back side, we have got two camera setup along with a flashlight. We also have a rear mount fingerprint scanner, and we can see the antenna lines. On the left side we have the SIM tray. On the front side we have the selfie camera, ambient sensor and earpiece. On the top we have the secondary mic for noise cancellation. Here on the right side we have the power button and the volume rockers. Here on the bottom side we have one single speaker, a microphone, a micro USB port and 3.5mm audio jack. I'm taking out the SIM tray. Here we can see this phone has a hybrid SIM slot. Let's put back the SIM tray in the phone. Alright, let's put this back cover on this phone. You will have to struggle a bit for putting this cover on this phone. The cuts for speaker, micro USB and 3.5mm jack are perfectly made on this cover. Alright, let me quickly set up this phone. Within settings, in about phone status, here we can see some details of this phone: Honor 7X, model number, build number, EMUI version, Android version, IMEI details, CPU and RAM details are mentioned over here. On tapping multiple times on this Android version, we get to see the Nougat logo. The camera seems to be decent on this phone. It has a fast shutter speed. The image quality on the selfie camera also looks decent. Here are a few quick settings of Honor 7X, which can be edited by clicking on this edit button. And now the best part, which I like about all the Honor phones. Every time you lock and unlock your phone, you get to see a new wallpaper. And that's what I like about Honor phones the most. That's about it in this video. In my upcoming videos, I'll be reviewing its camera, gaming performance, and I will give my overall verdict to this phone. So that's it for this video. I hope you'd have liked it. And if you really did, hit that like button which is given below in this video. Until now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit this red button. And don't forget to hit that bell icon which will give you instant notifications about the videos which we upload on this channel. Thanks for watching Tech Today.